Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to make a quick video letting you guys all know that I just released a new Unreal Engine 5.7 beginners course that shows you how to make 4 games from complete scratch. In this course, you'll go from knowing nothing about Unreal Engine 5 to creating these 4 games that you see here on the screen. We'll create a 2.5D Crossy Road game, an obstacle course game with swinging hammers and spinning windmills, a platformer game with puzzle-like mechanics, and a zombie first-person shooter game similar to Call of Duty Zombies. I will show you and explain every step of the process in great detail, from creating the movement inputs to the character blueprints, importing all the game assets and setting up the animations, all the way to packaging and playtesting our game. And all of the 4 games that we create in this course are optimized to run at over 100 FPS on the Steam Deck at native resolution, no upscalers, and the default graphic settings. This course was recorded in the latest version of Unreal Engine version 5.7, and the way that I've designed this course is that so anyone can actually take it, whether you're a complete beginner with a 0 game development experience or a seasoned developer of Unreal Engine. You'll still be able to take this course and learn new things. Now, I've structured this course into 5 individual chapters. The first chapter, titled Getting Started, will focus on the bare basics, like how to download and install the Epic Games Launcher, how to download Unreal Engine for the first time, the basic user interface and controls. We'll cover over the fundamentals, like how to import assets into your project, the different asset types, materials, static meshes, and we'll even cover over the blueprint basics. Now, once you've learned the basics of Unreal Engine, we'll move on to making our first game in Unreal Engine, which is a 2.5D Crossy Road game. This is a simple game that will just teach you the basics of what it takes to make a game inside of Unreal Engine. It will show you things like how to create movement inputs, a character blueprint, how to import and animate a custom character, and much more. And once you understand the basics of what it takes to make a game, we'll move on to a more advanced game, a 3D obstacle course game. This 3D obstacle course game will be more advanced as it will feature different types of mechanics like moving platforms, spinning obstacles, enemy AI, and will even give the player a shotgun weapon. We'll add things like player death and respawn mechanics, checkpoints, and much more. And this 3D obstacle game course will just teach you how to create more different types of gameplay mechanics. Now, after we've got 2 games under our belt, we'll move on to a more advanced game, a puzzle platformer game. This platformer game will feature different puzzles that the player will have to solve in order to clear the level. We'll add things like physics crates that the player will have to pick up and move to a pressure plate in order to unlock doors and solve various puzzles. This game will be more advanced as we'll be showing how to set up advanced interaction systems using blueprint interfaces. We'll cover over blueprint interfaces and why they're more efficient than using casting, and we'll show them in practice while we create this game. And we'll use all of this knowledge as we move on to the last game that we create, which is the first-person zombie shooter game. Now, this first-person zombie shooter game is very similar to Call of Duty Zombies, where you spawn in with just a pistol, you have to defend yourself against the various waves of zombies spawning in, and you have different barricades that you can repair and board up for money. You can use that money to purchase different weapons throughout the map, and you can unlock doors or clear piles of rubble to open up or explore more of the level. You can even try your luck at opening up the mystery box to see if you get that legendary space gun. We'll create 7 different weapons, including pistols, automatic rifles, a shotgun, a space gun, and we'll give the shotgun custom logic for its burst, as well as set up the space gun to fire things like blue orb projectiles. We'll cover over how to create this bunker level completely from scratch, from sculpting the landscape to blocking out the level to the lighting and much more. And at the end of this course, we'll talk about how to optimize our scene by instancing meshes, reducing draw calls, merging actors, baking LODs, reducing texture sizes, and so much more. And all of our optimization efforts will allow us to actually run the game at over 100 FPS on the Steam Deck at native resolution with 0 upscalers and without having to tweak the graphic settings. There's over 30 hours of Unreal Engine 5.7 learning content spanning over 140 plus lectures. Also, if you're new and get stuck in the course, you can additionally buy the 4 completed projects bundled together. If you'd like to cross-reference them while taking the course, this will allow you to use them as a direct reference, or maybe you just want to get the 4 completed projects without having to go through the 30 hours of learning content. That is completely up to you. I've also added auto-generated subtitles for all the languages that you see here on the screen, and if there's a particular language that you need subtitles for, let me know down in the comments below and I can see about having them added to the course. So if you're interested and want to learn how to create these 4 games from complete scratch, whether you are a total beginner or already have some experience with Unreal Engine, you'll still be able to pick up valuable skills and build real projects along the way. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and enroll in the Unreal Engine 5 beginners course to start creating your own games today.